There are gaming glasses, and then there are high-performance gaming glasses. Xreal has a new partnership with Asus, the Asus Xreal ROG R1. These are step-up gaming glasses that have a few extra features compared to the Xreal glasses that I've already tried and loved. I'm here at Asus's booth at CES in Vegas to check it out. I'm playing on an Xbox LIX right now, connecting the glasses with prescription inserts. So we don't know the price or release date for these, but expect them to be a step up from the others. What would an ultra premium pair be? You already have ones that are $500 and $600 that are made by Xreal. These are going to be more than that. We also don't know when they're coming out, but they have a lot of new design features here. They have these like color LEDs on the side. Inside, they have a 57-degree field of view, 1080p micro OLED display, similar lens design to the Xreal One Pro, which is flatter and less glare inducing. They're also 240 hertz refresh rate. That's the big thing, because in the game demos I've been trying here, it's really, really smooth. Usually I've not seen 240 refresh rate on glasses before. So that's the big draw for these. There are also a couple of overlays to show performance and things that Asus added to these glasses. There's also a separately sold dock that allows you to connect to other high-performance game systems, things like your PC or your Xbox. These are designed to play like that. Would I pay more for a pair of super high-performance glasses? I may not be that type of gamer, but I do appreciate how smooth these are and how big and bright the display looks. I think it's pretty fun to play with. The sound is good too. As far as the rest, well, you know, AR glasses and display glasses, there are a lot of them right now. There are a lot coming out. And you can see at CES that the world of display glasses is advancing fast. Xreal already released another pair of glasses just recently, the Xreal One S that I talked about. Those have a 16:10 aspect ratio, and they have a slightly higher resolution, 1200p. It's interesting because these have a 16:9 aspect ratio and 1080p. But the big difference here is the higher refresh rate. So if you really care about that, 240 hertz, and you are looking for a display that can push that, that's what these glasses are all about. Anyway, I'm here in Las Vegas, putting a lot of glasses on my face, and these are the smoothest displays that I've seen so far at the show. Stay tuned for a lot more.